just in the past 4 days, I've been able to build a $67,500 annual income with affiliate marketing, which is the equivalent of $5,625 monthly. And it took me 4 days to do that. Let me actually flip the screen over and show you guys. So if you look on my screen here, I'm actually gonna flip this around. Here we go. Okay, so here I am. This is my email, as you can see. Let me just bring my mouse over here and take a look. So every single one of these is a sign up that I got. And if you look at the time, right now the time on the computer is, as you can see, it's December 5th, just after midnight. So I'm counting this until like December 4th. So take a look. If we scroll down, the very first one is December 1st, and it's all the same stuff. Gobi, 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 trade house, trade house, trade house, all the same stuff. And every single one of these is a $75 monthly residual commission. And there's a total of 75 of them. So if you do the math, 75 times $75 essentially, that's $5,625 every single month. And on top of that, if you multiply that per year, that's a $67,500 in total. Now let me ask you this. Do you want to start making big affiliate commissions? I'm talking about $2,000 commissions. I'm talking about recurring commissions. I'm talking about all of this. By the way, I do it with 100% free, completely free traffic. So there's no paid ads, there's no Facebook ads or anything like this. It's all 100% free traffic, and I've been able to do it in 4 days. 4 days. Now, my results are not typical. I have to mention that because I don't do typical things in my business. But here's what I want you to do. If you're interested in starting to make big commissions, just below this video, there's a link for you to click. I want you to click on that. It's going to take you to the exact same funnel that I use to do this. It's my affiliate marketing campaign that I've set up that, by the way, my members have been completely crushing it. I had a member today did $4,700. I had a member literally just a few seconds ago, he posted in the group that he made a $2,000 commission. Let me actually show you instead of just telling you. So check this out. Here we are in the group. Over here, as you can see, it says, I do the work. You are the guys that get to keep all the commissions. And the way that it works is it's because you're using my affiliate marketing campaign. And the way you access it is by clicking the link just below this video here, if you're watching this on YouTube. So let me just scroll down here. And as you can see, 1 minute ago, literally 1 minute ago, a member by the name of Rob posted, thanks, David. Well, let's see. What is he thanking me for? If we scroll down, it says, congratulations, Robert, you just made a sale. And that is a total of $2,000 that he got as a commission that he got to make. Literally a minute ago, he posted about this. $2,000 that he got to make today. Let me ask you, how much do you make in your income per month or per day? Is it $2,000 commissions like this? And you know, without you having to set up the website, without you having to send out the emails and all that? Or is it a different amount? Because if you're not making $2,000 commissions yet, you're doing it wrong. And let me show you how to do it right when you click down the link just below this video. Now check this out. Here's another member, Beaky. He posted this like yesterday, which is like literally 8 minutes ago, as you can see right there. He says, look, I got 2 sales today, $2,350 each. That's $4,700 that he got to make in 1 hour. $4,000 a day that he got to make. Thanks, David, for doing all the work. So let me ask you a question. If you're doing affiliate marketing right now and you're not generating big, huge commissions like these, I'm telling you right now, you're not doing affiliate marketing the right way. You're just not, period. Because if you were doing it the right way, like I am, like in 4 days, I've been able to build a $67,000 a year income. And this is just the beginning, by the way. Like, wait until tomorrow's video. Maybe this number will go up to 80,000. Who knows? But it took me 4 days to do that. if you do the math, that means that I've generated on average, like I've built up an income of about $17,000, $18,000, and it took me 1 day to do that. And in 4 days, it climbed up to 67,000. Now, grant you, it's going to take some time for this income to come in. I get that. But in a month from now, it's already going to be over $5,000 that comes in. Because these are monthly residuals, monthly commissions that just keep coming in. So here's what I want to leave you with, because I want to keep this video pretty short. Click the link below. If you're not making big $2,000 commissions with 100% free traffic, if you're not getting residual income built with 100% free traffic, I have a special marketing funnel, a special affiliate marketing funnel, that when you join my team, and my team only, not some other person, right, out there, when you click the link just below here, it's going to take you to my website. Okay, you're gonna get to a site that's called Profits Passport. Everything is right below here. And when you get there, you want to enter your email. There's 3 simple steps to making this work. I'm going to tell you what they are right now. You want to maybe take a pen or something, write them down. Step number 1, very easy. Click the link below and watch the webinar. It's going to explain. I know you're full of questions right now. David, how does it work? How do I get traffic? How much can I earn? What's the process? What programs are we promoting? All of that. That's what the webinar is for. I'm not a parrot. I don't repeat myself. That's why I created the webinar. I want everybody to see that webinar, because if you can't follow the simplest instruction, like click a link and go watch a webinar, then we're not a fit. I can tell you right now, because if you're looking to join my team and you want me to help you, you need to be able to follow very simple instructions. So this is their first instruction. Click the link below, go watch the webinar. And fully watch the webinar. Don't skip around or anything. I'm actually even going to invite you to a live webinar, that like a webinar that I'm hosting about this, probably tomorrow or the next day. I don't know exactly when it's going to be, because it's been a pretty busy 4 days. Step number 2. Step 2. This is your instruction number 2. Okay, write it down if you want to join my team. If you want me to show you how to make these kinds of commissions. Step number 2. Activate your affiliate income streams. Like if I'm giving you my affiliate marketing funnel, I still need to know what are your affiliate IDs, right? If you've ever done affiliate marketing, you know that you need an affiliate link, right? You need to know how does the program know that you made a sale? It knows because you have a personalized affiliate link, right? So I need you to activate those, and the specific level that you want to activate is called Vertex Live. Vertex Live. Write those 2 words down. Vertex Live. Then what you want to do after you've activated Vertex Live, it's a program that's going to get you a 1-page site that you're going to need, because the way I show you to send traffic, people are going to check out that page. You want to get them to set that up for you. And that program is also what's going to enable you to earn up to $2,000 commissions, instant commissions. The money goes directly to you, literally directly to you. Instant $2,000 commissions. That is the level called Vertex Live. Okay, Vertex Live. Remember that. Write it down. Whatever you need to do. Vertex Live. That's how I'm able to make those big commissions. That's how 𝐏𝐸𝐾 is able to earn those commissions. That's how Rob just got a commission, because we're all in Vertex Live. We all had to get that. Okay, me included. Everybody. So that's the program. I looked at a dozen programs, and that's the one I chose, because as an affiliate, I want to make sure that I'm maximizing the potential of the program that people can get. And that's the best one. Essentially, that's the one where they build you a site, and that's the one where you can earn most commissions and all that. Vertex Live. Just remember that. After you've done that, step 3 is to start sending traffic. And my goal for you is, by the time you're done watching this video and the webinar, to already have your campaign set up. It's good to go. You can start sending traffic. I help you with that. I even give you my videos. Like when you come in at Vertex Live, there's a bonus package waiting for you. And I don't know, maybe it's expired already. I don't know when you're watching this video, but if it's still available, you want to take advantage of it, because the free traffic that I'm going to show you how to get, I even help you by getting it, because I give you my YouTube videos so you can get traffic from YouTube. I show you how to get free leads from social media, completely free. Like, you pay nothing for these. And this is the types of results that I've been able to generate with 100% free traffic, okay? Free traffic, 67K in 4 days, annual income that I've been able to build for myself. And you can get plugged in, and I'm going to show you how to do this, okay?